In this video, we will be going over fall cycle measurement of goals. In the fall, we aren't scoring final target outcomes. Instead, we're looking at milestone completion and trend data. Did the staff member hit the fall milestones set as part of the goal setting process? Is there any trend data available? If so, what does that data tell us about whether or not they're on pace to meet the goal? Using both milestone progress and trend data gives us a more realistic picture of progress at this early fall point in the school year. In the spring, goals are measured against target outcomes as identified in the goal statement, or if need be, the spring milestone that was established as part of that goal setting process. We have defined explicit measurement criteria to support objectivity and consistent measurement of goals across staff. Goals are scored based on 4 levels: not on track, almost on track to meet, and on track to exceed. As we noted on the last slide, scoring is determined in the fall by looking at 2 things: milestone completion and any available trend data. In the fall, level 1, not on track, means that less than 60% of fall milestones are complete and progress is flat or declining. Level 2, almost on track, means 60 to 95% of milestones are complete, but progress is lagging the pace needed to ultimately meet the goal. Level 4, on track to meet, means all milestones are completed on time and the data shows steady progress at the expected pace. Level 5, on track to exceed, means milestones have been completed ahead of schedule and the data shows performance is surpassing projections. Now let's take a look at a sample goal scoring scenario. This is Marquita, a first-year vice principal. One of Marquita's performance goals is to increase middle school writing proficiency by 20 percentage points by the end of the year. Her fall milestones were to train teachers in writing instruction before school began, collect revised lesson plans by October 1st, and establish, analyze, and share baseline student data. We will assess her progress against these milestones to determine her goal score for the fall. The middle column here provides information on Marquita's progress against her milestones. She did lead the training for ELA teachers over the summer, and all teachers submitted their first round of revised lesson plans by the deadline. However, she only collected 90% of student data needed to establish a complete set of baseline information. This is because she struggled to capture students who enrolled after the first week of school. There is also trend data available for this goal, as students have taken at least 2 writing assessments. The most recent writing assessment shows inconsistent progress across students. So, while she's made progress against her milestones, the trend data does not yet indicate she is on pace to meet the goal. Let's pull this all together and use our criteria to determine her score. Marquita completed about 2/3 of her milestones, and her trend data shows inconsistent progress. That places her at level 2, almost on track. This means progress has been made, but at a pace that suggests the goal will not be met without some adjustments.